This is non-HT4000 horizontal powder feed unit. The power is 37 kW. Capacity is 3 to 4 tons per hour, suitable for large and medium farms and feed mills. This unit can work continuously, low energy consumption, high capacity. 1 to 2 workers can operate it. This is ground equipped with screw conveyor for raw materials feeding, high crushing efficiency. The power is 15 kW, can crush different grains. The finers depend on different sieve power from 1.2 to 12 mm. This is pre-beam for mixing. The capacity is 2 cbm. Make sure the whole line can work continuously. This is powder feeding pot, and materials that don't need to be crushed can be directly added from here. This is horizontal ribbon mixer. Power is 15 kW. Capacity is 1 ton per batch. Mixing time 6 minutes per batch. Mixing uniformity not less than 93%. Equipped with a single electric control system to operate the machine. Electric cabinet has voltmeters, ammeters, overload protectors, and so on. The electrical components are Chint brand, super quality. Our factory has more than 30 years experience in feed machine field. If you want to learn more information about us, please visit our website or email